Welcome back to the channel. We have this interesting question that says find the value of a given that 2 to the power of a plus 2 to the power of a is equal to 80. When I add 2 to the power of a plus 2 to the power of a, I get 2 of 2 to the power of a. This is equal to 80. Now I'm going to be dividing both sides by 2. So I'll divide the left hand side by 2. I'll divide the right hand side by 2. Now we see that 2 cancels out 2, leaving behind 2 to the power of a on the left. This is equal to, now 80 divided by 2, I have 40. Very good. Now this simplifies into 2 to the power of a equal to 40 is same as 8 times 5. And now we can also break this further. So we have 2 to the power of a to be equal to 8 is same as 2 to power 3 times 5. Very good. Now since we have the lowest base to be 2, we can take the log base 2 of both sides. So I'll take the log base 2 of the left hand side, which is 2 to power a. This is equal to, I'll take the log base 2 of the right hand side, which is 2 to power 3 times 5. Very good. Now we're going to be applying the law of logarithm on the right hand side. The law of logarithm that says when I have the log base b of x times y, as it is here, this is equal to log base b of x plus log base b of y. Now let's apply this to what we have here. So we have the log base 2 of 2 to power a to be equal to, now splitting this to become something like this, we have log base 2 of 2 to power 3 plus log base 2 of 5. Very good. Very good. Now we're going to be applying the law of logarithm once more. The one that says when I have the log base b of b raised to the power of p, this is equal to p. That is because when I have the base and the number to be the same, we take the exponent as a result. Now we see that the number and the base here are the same, so we take our a as the result. This is equal to, the same thing happens here. We're going to be taking 3 as the result, and then plus log base 2 of 5. And this is our final answer. Now let's check. So we check. Now we're going to check that when I plug the value of a here into our original equation, then we're going to be having 80. So the left hand side is what my focus is. Now we have 2 to the power of a. A is 3 plus log base 2 of 5. Plus, we have the same thing, 2 to the power of a. A is 3 plus log base 2 of 5. So, now we're going to be applying the law of indices that says that when I have, for example, a to the power of m plus n, this is equal to a to the power of m times a to the power of n. So that means this expression can be 2 to the power of 3 times 2 to the power of log base 2 of 5. Plus, now we'll do the same thing here. This becomes 2 to the power of 3 times 2 to the power of log base 2 of 5. Very good. We all know that 2 to the power of 3 is 8 times, now 2 to the power of log base 2 of 5 plus 2 to the power of 3 is 8 times, this is 2 to the power of log base 2 of 5. Now lastly, we apply the law of logarithm that says that when I have b to the power of log base b of a, this is equal to a. As long as the base here and the base here are the same, A becomes the result. So we have 8 times, now the base here and the base here are the same, 5 becomes the result, plus 8 times, the same thing happens here, 5 becomes the result. So 8 times 5 is 40, plus 8 times 5 is 40. And when we add them together, we're going to be having 80 as the answer, which is equal to the right hand side. So our value for A equal to 3 plus log base 2 of 5 is actually correct.